Hi. Today I will show you how to backup and restore your drivers on Windows 10 PC. It is a good idea to backup your drivers in case you need to reinstall your Windows. In that case, you don't need to search all drivers online. You will have them all in one place. You just need to put your backup folder on separate drive, or on external hard drive. I will be right back. And in meantime, don't be afraid to smash that like button. Okay. To back up your drivers, you need to open Windows PowerShell. Right-click on your Start button, and select Windows PowerShell Admin. On User Account Control window, click Yes. Now go to this video description, and copy command I left you. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste that command in PowerShell. If your Windows drive is not C, change it here to the letter of your Windows drive. You can also change the name of the folder. I will name it DriversBackup. This command will create folder on your C drive, and make backup of all your drivers. When you paste the command, press Enter. Wait until process finish. Now close PowerShell. We will go now to our C drive. And as you see, here is our drivers backup folder. Inside are all drivers you have. As I said, if you reinstalling Windows, move this folder to another drive. When you reinstall your Windows, and want to restore these drivers, you will right-click on your Start, and select Search. In search bar type Device Manager, and click on Device Manager up here. I have all my drivers installed, but you will have yellow mark next to each device which have no driver installed. You will right-click on that device, and select Update Driver. Now click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Click here on Browse and find your backup folder. Select it and click OK. Click here on Next, and your device driver will be updated. Do this for all devices with yellow mark next to it. You don't need to search backup folder every time, because first time you do this, Windows will remember it. And that's the way how to update and restore your drivers on Windows 10 PC. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button. And please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.